Hi guys, welcome to this video. I want to show you here what it looks like inside the Planner Club. So once you have created an account and you log in with your email and your password, you are going to be here in the home section where you're going to find a welcome message from me. Then you're going to have some information. And then here on the bottom of the page, you can submit a question or a testimonial or maybe any feedback, any questions that you have, you can go ahead and submit them here. So here in the middle, you can access the menu, which is the planners, resources, and support sections, or you can come all the way up here to the main menu and you'll find the same thing, planners, resources, and support. So if we click planners, on planners, you're gonna find all the planners available already for you, and you always find every time I add a new planner, you'll find it here, okay, every month. Then next to the planner, there's a little explanation, and then there's a download button that you can click and download your planner, okay, your computer. Now, if we go here where it says resources, you're gonna find your bonuses. So whenever you want to sign up for the Fashion Business Online Incubator, it's right here. Okay, there's also the second bonus, my amazing year kit, that includes 15 printables. Here are the links to all the printables included to have the best year ever. Okay, any other resources that I share with you guys are going to be available here. All the links will be available here. So yeah, this is a great section to check out. Okay, and then the last section is support. So click here. And here's where you're going to have access to the Facebook group. You can click here and you can connect with other planner members. You can connect with me. You can share, your experiences, your ups and downs in your business, whatever you want, ask questions, right? And then you also have the contact us section where you can send a question directly to me. So let's say you don't want to share something in the group, something more private, something about your business, you can come over here and send me a question directly, okay? So you can always go back to the home by clicking here where it says home, okay, or also here where it says the Fashion Entrepreneur Planner Club. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to come in and show you around so you know where everything is. If you have any questions at all, let me know. We're here to support you, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys.